Hey food lovers! Welcome back to where we dive into the rich and flavorful world of global cuisine. Today, we're taking you to Africa to uncover the secrets behind one of its most loved snacks, plantain chips. Crunchy, salty, and oh so addictive, plantain chips are more than just a tasty treat. Stick around because we're uncovering unknown facts that will blow your mind about this humble yet iconic snack. Let's get started. Plantain chips are thinly sliced and fried or baked pieces of plantains, a cousin of the banana. But did you know they have a history rooted in Africa's agricultural traditions? Unlike bananas, plantains are a staple starch in many African countries, forming the backbone of countless dishes. Plantain chips are popular across many African countries, including Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, and Kenya. In Nigeria, they're known as ipekere, while Ghanaians call them kelewele when spiced. Each region adds its unique twist, whether it's seasoning them with chili, ginger, or just a pinch of salt. Here's an interesting fact. Plantains are believed to have originated in Southeast Asia but made their way to Africa thousands of years ago through trade routes. Today, they're cultivated extensively across West and Central Africa, with countries like Uganda and Cameroon being some of the top producers. Plantain chips aren't just a snack, they're a symbol of ingenuity. Traditionally, families sliced and fried plantains as a way to preserve them, especially when they became overripe. This practice ensured nothing went to waste, a concept deeply rooted in African culinary traditions. In many African cities, plantain chips are a beloved street food, sold in colorful plastic bags at bustling markets or traffic stops. Vendors often compete to create the crunchiest chips or the most flavorful seasonings, turning this simple snack into a thriving industry. Here's something unexpected. Plantain chips also have health benefits. Plantains are a great source of potassium, fiber, and vitamins. When baked instead of fried, they become a guilt-free snack that's as nutritious as it is delicious. Did you know some plantain chips are made with green, unripe plantains, while others use ripe, yellow ones? Green plantains give a crispier texture and savory flavor, while ripe ones are slightly sweeter, offering a completely different taste experience. Here's a fun fact. The art of making plantain chips has gone global. They're not just an African favorite anymore. Countries like Colombia, Venezuela, and the Philippines have their own versions, inspired by African trade and migration. Plantain chips have also become a booming export business. Companies in Ghana and Nigeria now package and ship them worldwide, turning a local snack into an international sensation. Plantain chips often make an appearance during African festivals and celebrations. From weddings to community gatherings, these golden delights are served as a quick snack to keep guests energized and happy. It's a simple way to bring people together through food. Did you know plantains are classified as a superfood in many parts of Africa? Rich in complex carbohydrates, they provide slow-releasing energy, making them ideal for long working days. They also contain more vitamin C and A than bananas, supporting immune health and vision. Here's something fascinating. There are several types of plantains. From horn plantains to French plantains, each variety offers slightly different textures and flavors. In Africa, the type of plantain used can vary by region, which is why you might notice subtle taste differences in plantain chips depending on where they're from. Plantains arrived in Africa over 2,000 years ago through Indian Ocean trade routes and later flourished in the tropical climates of West and Central Africa. They quickly became a dietary staple, with every part of the plant utilized, from the fruit to the peel and even the leaves for wrapping food. Plantains are an environmentally friendly crop. They grow well in nutrient-poor soil, making them an essential resource for regions where agriculture can be challenging. Plus, they're often intercropped with other staples like cassava or maize to maximize land use. And here's something surprising. Plantain peels are sometimes repurposed in African communities. They're used as livestock feed, natural compost for farming, and even as a base for creating biodegradable products. Nothing goes to waste. In Africa, plantain chips come in two forms: homemade and factory packaged. Homemade chips are often fried in palm oil, giving them a unique, rich taste, while factory-made versions use vegetable oil for a lighter texture. Both have their charm, but homemade chips often carry that extra touch of authenticity. Plantain chips are also a base for culinary creativity. In some African regions, they're used as a crunchy topping for salads or as an accompaniment to spicy dips like African pepper sauce. This elevates the humble chip to gourmet status. Thanks for joining me on this delicious journey into the world of African plantain chips. Which seasoning would you try, spicy, sweet, or classic? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing food stories from around the globe. See you next time.